Well, hey, welcome back this week to the channel. I want to talk to you about why you should consider taking a woodworking class. So there are many reasons, but let me just get right into it. This is what I've experienced this year after taking a few classes, and that is, it's a great addition to the online videos and books that you might be reading. That's the way I started a couple years ago, and I highly recommend it. Hey, you can get on YouTube, you can get started right away into projects, you can learn a ton from great professional instructors, and it's fantastic. But the thing you don't get is you don't get to ask questions to the instructor, at least not live anyway. So that's one main benefit that I've really found in taking a class, is that I get to work right with the instructor, and often they point out things that I don't know I'm doing wrong, or bad technique, or they just answer questions I have and help me out. So it's really great for that. That's the number one benefit that I see. And then also, you just get to meet a lot of great people and learn a lot of new things from other students and instructors. So that's an important thing right off the bat that I think can be learned in a classroom setting. And there are affordable options out there, most likely. I don't live where you live, but if you search around, hopefully you can find some affordable options to take a class. Sometimes that holds us back because it's expensive to do these things. But I looked around and I was able to find things that fit my budget. So hopefully you can do that too. I'd encourage you just look around and see what you can find. The other part of this video is going to be about a class that I took at Lost Art Press in Covington, Kentucky earlier this summer. And I just kind of show you around, give you a little tour. I wasn't able to really do a lot of video during the class because I had a lot of work to do and I wanted to complete the project on time. But really, it's a great shop and the atmosphere is awesome. The instruction is great. So if you can get to Lost Art Press, if you can make that trip and if you can afford it, go to Lost Art Press. The prices aren't bad. They really aren't. They're very fair. So I really liked my class there. But anyway, let's go take a look at the video that I shot earlier this summer. All right, here we go.
Okay, well, it's time for the second day of the class at Lost Art Press. I'm getting ready to head out now, and I'm pretty excited. Hopefully this project comes together. I didn't get a chance to do much video yesterday, but I'll show you guys when I get there today what I did yesterday, and then hopefully how it comes together at the end. So I can't do a lot of video in the class. It's too much to deal with, or else I wouldn't get the project done. But I'll give you hopefully maybe even a tour of Lost Art Press, which is awesome. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so we're at Lost Art Press now. I'm getting ready to walk in, excited for the second day to start, and hopefully this project turns out really nice. So I've worked really hard on it, and hey, these are pretty new techniques to me, but they were very helpful. Instruction was awesome. The school is great. It's been a great time. So hopefully I put in a nice full day today. Take it slow, pay attention, and make sure that I don't cut anything off I'm not supposed to. All right, so here we go for day number 2. Okay, so it's a beautiful Sunday morning here on Willard Street in Covington, Kentucky. Getting ready to walk up to Lost Art Press. Here is the entrance, cool logo. All right, let's take a walk in Lost Art Press and show you guys around. Okay, so here's where we're working. This is the front part of the shop. As you saw, I just walked in the door, and this is Chris Schwartz building, and Megan works here, and Brendan also works here. It's amazing. Try not to move too fast for you guys. It's a really cool building they've been working on. I love everything about it. The lighting is really cool. Just a great shop atmosphere. Lots of natural light. This little town is cool around here, lots of stuff to do. So if you come here for a class, there's plenty of great places to eat, and it's an amazing time. So anyway, quick little walk around. This is the bench I'm using. There's some of my tools. dovetail saw, chisels there, marking gauges, planes, spoke shaves. And here's a little bit of what I was working on yesterday. So I have walnut here, and we're making this dovetailed shaker serving tray, like a shaker style dovetail serving tray. See if I can say that right. Anyway, so yesterday I actually did rough cuts on the dovetails. Actually, I did the cuts and then I removed the waste so they look a little rough right there. Let's see if I can get a better picture here. Okay, and then let me see if I can find it here. So what I started out with looked like this. It's just our boards are dimensioned to what we needed them, and then we take them from here, from this point. So this is what the other boards, those were like yesterday, and today we'll be doing more work with this and hopefully finish the tray up. So anyhow, this is the bench I'm using, and we've got a vise down here. It's really nice. Sometimes I attach it to the bench. It's been really handy. This is it. This is pretty much it. It's a great little shop. So if you walk in the front, this is what you're going to see every month. They have an open house, and if you can make it, if you're close enough in driving distance to make it, I would definitely make the trip down here. And here's the actual dovetail tray, another one that's been made. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, so here we have Chris's chest from the Anarchist tool chest, which is awesome. I don't know if I can open this or if I should open this. Yeah, I don't think they'll care. So there's what it looks like in person, and it is awesome. There's all his tools. He works out of this chest. It's a really cool concept. I definitely am considering this, building a chest like this. It's pretty big, so it will hold a lot. So anyway, so this is one of his iconic things he's known for, is the Anarchist tool chest. So really, really cool. So we'll close that and then take you on a little tour this way. So they've just got this really cool building. You walk back here. Let's see if I can flip a light on. And we've got the library here, so everybody has some cool books to check out. And then this is just an awesome sitting area. Really cool. Yeah, if you come here, you've definitely got to sit in the chair with the antlers. All right, we're gonna go into the horse carriage garage and check out the power equipment. Hope you don't mind to take a video.
Of course not.
Cool. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that was Chris Schwartz of Lost Art Press. Pretty cool to be down here learning under his instruction and Megan Fitzpatrick. So we've got a drill press here, Powermatic, various equipment, chop saw. We have a saw stop here. And a Grizzly bandsaw. And over here is the planer, Powermatic planer, and a Northfield jointer. So I know Chris was working on this a year or two ago. I think it was last year actually, and he finished this up. It's pretty cool. An old-time electric horse carriage garage, I believe is what it was. So this is what we have here at Lost Art Press. Today we just use the drill press, and everything else is by hand. So pretty cool.
Alrighty, so hopefully that video encourages you to go and take a woodworking class. maybe just seeing the inside of a cool shop like Lost Art Press inspires you. Whatever it is, hey, just get out there, look around, try to find a class near you and take one. I love doing it. I'm sure you will too. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I will show you my almost finished project on the next video, or a video coming up pretty soon. I just actually have to put the final touches on it. It's been a couple months, but I need to go ahead and coat it in Danish oil, do a couple things. So I'll show you that on an upcoming video. But until next time, always remember life's most important order. Love God, love each other, and woodwork. We'll see you next time.